In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you where you can locate downloaded files. Since I'm recording videos about iOS and Android devices for a long time now, I get questions about downloaded files on an iPhone a lot. That's why today I decided to record this video to show you exactly where to find download section. Don't worry, you don't need any special app or trick to do that. All you need is Files app that's already on your iPhone. And if you don't have it, don't worry, I got you. That means that you probably uninstalled it at some point. To get it back, go into App Store, type in Files and download them from a boot developer. Either way, after getting or locating it, open it, and finally hit Browse at the bottom on the right. Now you can tap on Downloads over here in iCloud Drive to access them, or most people miss this part, you can go back and click at the top left corner to access downloads under Favorites. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!